Hello, and thanks for watching. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable reading list syncing in the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. This feature allows you to access your saved articles across multiple devices seamlessly. Follow these simple steps to keep your reading list always up to date. First, open the Wikipedia app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Reading List Syncing option. Turn on the reading list, syncing by toggling the switch. This will enable synchronization of your saved articles across devices automatically. That's all there is to it. Now your Wikipedia reading list will stay synced across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.